In addition to the well-known rod form of glass, glass also comes in several different forms. It comes in what is called frit, which is essentially glass which is ground up into very fine pieces. Now, frit comes in various different sizes, ranging from 0, which is a very thin powder-like size, to 4, which is chunkier, about the size of a baby tooth. So, you can use frit, several different colors, several different textures, to apply and make different techniques and different effects on your glass. In addition to frit and rod form, glass also comes in shards, which is a very thin sheet glass that you can apply to the top of a bead. So, what you want to remember is rods conduct glass more quickly than a sheet of glass will. Shards of glass are so thin that they'll curl up in the flame if you don't keep them on the edge of the flame and use them very quickly. Frit, remember, comes in sizes from 0 to 4, ranging from a very fine powder to a heavier chunk.